to go and no place to call home. My only friend was the man. And I know she'll be the death of me, at least.
It's the speaker now. And if you get lonely, give this song another listen. Close your eyes. So tell me, baby, that I'm still your number one. 'Cause I'm up. Fucking with the kid and pray for your nigga. I got girls in real life trying to fuck up my day. You're number one. Cause on the parliament, the man forget it done.
Let's go. I call my girl, cause I got a problem. Only a girl is gonna solve it. And I don't really care. Just get him on my head, yeah. Let's switch it up. Get it off my shoulder. I've had enough. Can't take no longer. I'm over him, I swear. I'm like, yeah. Gotta get him on my head. 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 'Cause he was just a and I knew it. Got me going mad sitting in this chair. Like I don't care. Gotta get him on my head. I tried everything, but it's useless. He pushed me so far, now I'm on the edge. Make him disappear. Go get him on my head.
Stay that chat mode.
Okay, gonna beat your mouth. Peroxide on it. Here on the floor, like my memory of him. Now I feel brand new. That's right. This chick is over you. We going out, ain't got no worries. Drumming now, now it just seems so funny. Come hands up in the air. I'm like, yeah. Gotta get him on my head. 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 'Cause he was just a and I knew it. Got me going mad sitting in this chair. Like I don't care. Gotta get him on my head. I tried everything, but it's useless. He pushed me so far, now I'm on the edge. Make him disappear. Go get him on my head.
Yeah, deal it, girl. Hey, let me tell you something. See me and you. And one thing me always a bring it back to. You know you can't leave it, girl. Yo, it's every bit at the beginning when we started. Good chemistry between me and you, girl, regardless. I spit you game and just to tell me was my target. That was my aim, just to be playing with your body. Thought that forever we could continue this party. I know you're telling me that your love is the party. Girl, I'm just saying you gon' miss your sugar daddy. Or you gon' get me out the hair, girl, when I body.
You need to get your phone and raise that number. Don't call him back.
Why am I always hit on by the boys I never like? I can always see them coming from the left or from the right. I don't wanna be a prince, I'm just trying to be polite. But it always seems to bite me in the ask me for my number, yeah, you put me on the spot. You think that we should hook up, but I think that we